Ever wondered what to do when life throws a curveball and you're suddenly hit with unexpected expenses? Welcome to this explainer on emergency funds, a financial safety net that can help navigate those choppy waters. Picture this: a sudden car breakdown or an unexpected medical bill lands on your doorstep. It's not a pleasant thought, is it? However, these scenarios happen more often than you'd think. This is where the concept of emergency funds comes into play. Emergency funds are essentially a stash of money set aside to cover the financial surprises life throws your way. These unexpected events can be stressful, and without a financial buffer, they can lead to debt or financial instability. So how does one go about setting up an emergency fund? It's simpler than it sounds. Step 1. Determine your expenses. Take a moment to calculate your monthly living costs. Consider everything from your rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and any other recurring bills. Step 2. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. That's the general rule of thumb in the financial world. It's a good starting point, but remember, the size of your emergency fund will depend on your personal circumstances. Step 3. Start saving. Make it a habit to put a little money away each month. It doesn't matter how small the amount is at first. The key is consistency. Over time, these amounts will add up. Step 4. Keep it accessible. Your emergency fund needs to be easily accessible in case of sudden need. Consider keeping it in a high-yield savings account, which can earn a bit of interest over time. Before we continue, if you're finding this information helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more insightful financial content. In summary, an emergency fund is a financial safety net designed to cover unexpected expenses that can arise. It is vital for maintaining financial stability and avoiding debt. Remember, the first step is determining your monthly expenses. Next, aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of these costs. Start saving regularly and keep your fund in a place that's easily accessible. Building an emergency fund might seem daunting, but it's more achievable than you think. And once it's set up, it provides peace of mind knowing that you're financially prepared for whatever life throws your way. So, start today. Take that first step towards financial stability. You never know when you might need to dip into your emergency fund, but you'll be glad it's there when you do. And remember, every little bit helps. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, stay financially savvy.